In this lesson of Google Slides, you will learn about the transition option. With the transition option, you can add special effects to your slides as you are presenting. That way, when you advance in the presentation and you go from one slide to the next, the slides don't just appear on the screen, but they come with a special effect to attract the attention. To try this option, let's first choose the first slide on my presentation, and then I'm going to use the transition option over here. So I press transition, this panel on the right side will appear, and here where it says none, I can change to different styles. These are or special effects, transition effects. So I'm going to choose one. And if I want to try it, I can press play to see how it looks like. That way I see how the slide will appear. If I don't like it or I just want to try something different, I can change the transition effect. For example, this one. And I can press play again just to check how it looks like. And I can see a different special effect, a different transition. If it's okay, I can leave it. And now I can repeat the same process with the rest of the slides. For example, I can choose the slide number 2, and then on the right, I can choose the same effect or a different effect. And I can try it as usual with the play button to see how it goes from one slide to the next one. How is the transition? I will do the same with the rest of the slide. I first select the slide, and then on the right, I choose a transition effect. And I repeat this process from one slide to the next slide. Always first choose the slide on the left, and then on the right, I choose the transition effect I want to have. When I'm finished, if I want to see how everything looks like, I can go back to the first slide, and then I click the present button over here to see the presentation in the whole screen. And after it loads, I can click and see how the effects, how the transition effects appear as I advance in the presentation. As I click, I will see things moving, and the way they move, it's because of the transition effects I put. If in one of the slides I put animation, like in this one, then the objects will appear one by one. This was covered on a different lesson until I finish the whole presentation. Now, you give it a try.